Tushar, ma'am is going to share my screen and you will tell me that the screen is visible or not. Okay.
Okay, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now tell me. Is it visible?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So can you tell me what is written on the screen?
Ma'am, factors and multiples.
Yes. So it means we are going to start a new topic today, that is factors and multiples. Is it clear?
Yes,
Is
ma'am.
it clear? Okay, beta.
Yes,
And
ma'am.
from factors and multiple, we are going to start a subtopic that is multiple. Okay, so today we are going to discuss about the multiple. So what is multiple? Can you read the definition from the screen? Tushar.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. The product of two or more number is the multiply of the number that are multiplied.
बेटा not multiply. आपने बीच में read किया multiply, but that was multiple. Can you read the definition again?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
The product of two or more number is the multiple of the number that are multiplied.
Yes. So beta, what definition says that the product of two or more numbers. Okay, when we are going to multiply two or more numbers, when we are going to multiply two or more numbers, in that case, the number will be termed as multiple. Means the product will be termed as multiple. Okay, beta, is it clear? So now
Yes,
ma'am is going to share few examples, and on the basis of it can be clear that what exactly the multiple means. Okay, so suppose here
Okay, ma'am.
one example is given that we are going to multiply 6 and 5. Okay, two numbers we are going to multiply in the first example, 6 and 5, and what will be my product? Can you tell me what will be my product? That will be
30.
Yes, very good, that will be 30. Okay, so what we can say, what is multiple? As I have already told you, product is the multiple. As I have already told you now, that product is
Yes, ma'am.
multiple. So here, what is multiple? In the first example.
Ma'am, 30.
Yes,
Ma'am,
very
30.
good. 30 is the multiple. But how you are going to pronounce it? That 30 is the multiple of 6 and 5. It is clear?
Yes, ma'am.
30 is the multiple of 6 and 5, because we are going to multiply these two terms, 6 and 5.
Yes, ma'am.
So how we are going to pronounce it? Yes?
Ma'am, 30.
Yes.
Ma'am, 30 is the multiple of 6 and 5.
6 and 5. And similarly, can you tell me the next one? Next example. What will be the multiple here?
Ma'am, 40.
Yes. 40 will be the
40.
multiple. Very good. And of how many numbers are here? Multiple of? Yes.
3 numbers.
3 numbers. That one?
Ma'am, 2, 4,
Yes.
and 5.
Very good. 2, 4, and 5. Is it clear? Is
Yes,
it clear?
ma'am.
Simply we
Yes,
can
ma'am.
say what is a multiple. Multiple means the product of two or more numbers. Simply we can say. Okay. In simple terms, what we can say, multiples means the product of two or more numbers. Clear? Clear,
Okay,
beta?
ma'am.
And suppose
Yes,
ma'am
ma'am.
is going to ask, can you tell me the multiple? Can you tell me the multiple of 4 and 5? 4 and
Ma'am,
5.
4 and
Yes.
20.
Very good. So this will be the multiple. Is it clear? When we are going
Yes,
to
ma'am.
multiply these numbers, we are going to find out the multiple. Is it clear? Is it
Yes,
clear?
ma'am.
Okay, beta.
Yes, ma'am.
So now ma'am is going to change the child. Beta, you can mute. You can mute. So this time ma'am is going to take Riddhi Singhal. Riddhi, unmute yourself. Riddhi, unmute yourself. Keep it up.
Yes, ma'am.
So now it is clear what is multiple.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, beta. So now we are going to continue with the next slide. So here we are going to discuss about the properties of multiple.
Of multiple.
Properties of multiples. Okay.
Multiple.
Can you read the first property? Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
First property.
Every number is a multiple of 1 and a multiple of itself.
Yes, it means every number is the multiple of 1 and number itself. Okay, beta. So how it can be clear? Let's have an example. So here, 20 multiplied by 1.
By 1.
20 multiplied by 1. Your
Multiply
answer will
by
be
1.
20. Your
20.
answer will be 20. It means your product will be 20. Even we can say 20 is the multiple of what? Multiple of 20 and 1. This is the way to read the this particular number. Okay, beta, in terms of multiples.
Yes, ma'am.
In terms of multiple, how you can read this number? 20 means which 20? That is given in the product. Okay, after equals. Okay, it means we can say 20 is the multiple of this 20 and 1. Is it clear? ऐसे लिखते हैं
Yes, ma'am.
So beta, now it is clear that this 20 is the multiple of 1 and 20 is what? 20 is what? 20 is the number itself. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
So it means we can conclude from here that every number, कोई भी number होगा, suppose we are going to multiply that number from 1, the number itself will come as a product. Yes or no?
Yes,
Yes or
ma'am.
no? So beta, how we are going to write this particular property, that every number is a multiple of 1 and the multiple of number itself.
Number itself.
Clear हो गया? You can take any of the example over here. Any example.
Okay.
For example,
Okay.
suppose you are going to take 5 multiplied by 1. 5 multiplied by 1. Your answer will be?
5.
5. So how you are going to read this particular statement? कैसे read करेंगे आप?
Ma'am,
Yes.
मेरा 5
Yes.
answer
Yes.
5 answer 1 itself.
Beta, you can read like 5. That is given in the answer. Answer में जो 5 है ना? That
Yes,
5. That 5 ma'am is asking. So here, what we can conclude? This 5 means this product 5 is the multiple of 1 and
itself.
5. 1 and 5, and 5 is what? 5 is the number itself. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
So we can write any
ma'am.
of the number like in this form. We can write
Yes,
any
ma'am.
number in this form. As we
Okay,
are
ma'am.
going to multiply any number by 1, your answer will be always number itself.
Number itself.
Number itself.
Yes, ma'am.
Is it clear? So that's why we can say. We always start reading. Give me a second. Ma'am is going to show you how we are going to discuss. Okay, beta. So suppose
Okay,
here we are going to discuss the second property. Can you read the second property?
Yes.
Can you read the second property?
The-
Yes.
The smallest multiple of a number is a number itself.
The smallest multiple of a number is the number itself. What does it mean? What does it mean? Smallest multiple. Because as we have already learned that we can find out the different multiples of a single number. For that, ma'am is just going to share my board with you. Okay, beta, give me a second. Ma'am is going to share my board with you. Okay. Give me a second. Okay, now tell me my board is clear. Yes, beta, my board is clear. Riddhi, my
Yes,
board is
ma'am.
clear, beta. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So, beta, how we are going to find out the multiples? Simple. Suppose we are going to have 4 numbers. Okay, ma'am is
Four.
having 4 numbers.
Multiply by 1.
Yes, multiply by 1. We can just continue with the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on. 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on. We can multiply. So here 4 banja, 4 banja, 4. Very good. 4 2 ja,
8.
4 3 ja. Yes, tell me fast. And then and
4
continue.
60.
And we can continue. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, beta. So what we have done? These all are the multiples. Multiples of what? 4. These all are the multiples of 4. So simply we can say, to find out the multiples, we can read the table of that particular number. Is it clear? Simply we are going to write down the table of that number. Directly we are
हमारा
going to
आंसर
write.
आ जाएगा
Yes,
चाहे
beta.
वो टेबल में से 4 7 जाए 4 8 जाए
Beta.
कोई भी नंबर मैम
Yes, beta. Suppose your number can be 7. Your number can be 7. Your number can be 11. Your number can be anything. And suppose somebody is going to ask you that what are the multiples of 7, what are the multiples of 4, and what are the multiples of 11.
no
In that
ma'am I
case,
want to ask that
yes.
I want to ask that जैसे 4 की टेबल में अगर जैसे 4 7 जा हो और 7 जा हो तो उसमें भी मतलब हम तो वो हो सकता है
What, beta? Can you repeat your query? Can you repeat?
यस मैम
Yes.
मैम जैसे 4 की टेबल में
Yes.
अगर 4 7 जाए तो भी वो आंसर जो हमारा मल्टीपल्स है वो बन सकता
Yes,
है
beta. Yes. Multiple means limit is endless. You are saying that 4 7 ja. 4 7 ja, that will be 28. That will be 28. So 28 is the multiple because as we are going to multiply these two numbers, we have already multiplied these two numbers to find out this product, and the product will be termed as multiples. Multiple. Okay, beta.
मल्टीपल
So how you can read this statement? आप इस statement को read कैसे करोगे? Okay, 28 is the multiple of 4 and 7. Is it clear? Yes, 28
Yes, ma'am.
is the multiple of 4 and 7.
मल्टीपल ऑफ 4 एंड 7
Yes, these two numbers are that we are going to
Yes.
take. Is it clear?
यस मैम
So beta, it can be 6, it can be 5, it can be 2, it can be 11, whatever you are going to take. Okay, beta. The product can be changed, means the multiple can be changed every time. So now
Okay.
what ma'am is going to tell you that how we are going to find out the multiples. How we are going to find out the multiples? Simply we are going to
Ma'am.
write the table.
tables of this now or of this question question number
Yes, beta, you can take any of the number. You can take any of the number. Okay, you can take any number. But simply what you are going to do, you are going to multiply that number by 1 first, then 2, then 3, then 4, then 5, and so on. Similarly, can you find
Okay,
out the
ma'am.
multiples of 7? Can
Yes,
you find
ma'am.
out? How?
yes ma'am so the 7 into 7
7 1 just 7. It
7
will be
to
the
the
first
14.
multiple. So beta,
Yes,
here
ma'am.
it must be clear to you. It will be the first multiple as we have multiplied by 1. Yes, first
One.
multiple. Second multiple will be
7 to the 14 this is
multiple.
the second multiple
Third multiple.
third
Then-
multiple then 28
Yes. Then
fourth multiple then 35
5 multiple
that is
and so on.
multiple.
There is no limit. These are endless. Okay, कितना भी आप निकाल सकते हो.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, beta. Now suppose
Yes, ma'am.
11. Suppose 11 we are going to continue with.
11
Yes.
into 11 this is first multiple
Yes. Beta,
Then
don't
20
do such mistake that suppose you are going to find out the first multiple and you are going to continue with the 22. No. When we are going to multiply by 1, that will be the first multiple. Okay, you have to multiply by 1 only to find out the first multiple. Means always remember this thing that your number will be the first multiple always. Yes or no?
okay ma'am
Your
Okay,
number
ma'am.
will be first multiple always. You can check from here also. This is the first multiple and that is the number
Seven.
itself. That is the
Yes,
number
ma'am.
itself. Okay. And similarly 7.
and 7 maybe
Similarly 7. Okay, beta.
yes ma'am
So can we continue like this? Yes or no?
23 44 55
Yes.
Ma'am,
We can
44.
continue with different numbers.
With-
Is it clear? Now,
ma'am.
now again read the question, property number 2. Now it will be clear to
yes,
you.
ma'am. The smallest multiple of a number is the number itself.
The smallest multiple of a number is the number itself. Means smallest multiple. Can you tell me these all are the multiples? But the smallest number, smallest multiple is. This is the smallest.
Smallest
Among
multiple is one's. Ma'am, कोई
One
भी
जा,
हो
one
उसका
जा means-
one's.
One ja. So it means
One
when we
means
are going to
number
multiply.
itself.
Yes, very good. When we are going to multiply any number, we are going to
By
multiply
one-
any number by
Any number
itself.
by one.
Yes,
By
your answer
one,
will
the
be
number is the number itself.
Exactly, exactly. So now can we continue with the third property?
Yes,
Third
ma'am.
property.
Okay,
Okay.
ma'am.
So, beta, you can mute. Ma'am is going to take one more time. Nitya, this is very bad. You are not following the instructions.
Okay, ma'am.
Beta, Riddhi, you can mute, beta. Riddhi, you can
Yes,
mute.
ma'am.
So this time, ma'am is going to take. Nitya, do you have any query? Nitya, do you have any query? Okay, so now ma'am is going to take. Yes, Anshika Singhal. Anshika, unmute yourself. Yes, Anshika. Yes, Anshika.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, beta. So can you read the third property of multiple? Third property of multiple. Can you read? Yes, Krishna, unmute yourself, beta. Vanshika, your father is sitting with you. Yes, Vanshika. Beta, I have already informed you na that no other family member should be visible in front of camera. Yes, Krishna. Krishna, ma'am is audible.
Yes, ma'am.
Beta, speak loudly. You should speak loudly, okay? What are you checking from? Okay, so now read the third property from the screen. Screen is visible? Screen is visible?
Yes.
Okay, now read the third
Yes.
property. Read the third property. Yes.
Every multiple of a number is equal to or greater than the number. For example,
बेटा एग्जाम्पल बाद में करना, एग्जाम्पल बाद में करना. You just read the property once again. Once again.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes.
Every multiple of a number is equal to or greater than the number.
Yes. So it means every multiple of a number means a number can have multiples of multiple. Okay. So it means every multiple of a number is equal to or greater than the number. Is it clear, beta? For example,
Yes.
again, what I have given over here. Suppose we are going to multiply 4 by 1. Your answer will be 4. Your answer will be 4. Yes or no? So
Yes,
it means is 4 is exactly equals to 4. Means product
Yes, ma'am.
4 is equals to number 4. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So now suppose ma'am is going to multiply 4 by 2 to find out the second multiple. So here the second multiple is 8. Second multiple is 8. So, but 8 is greater than 4, not less than. Is it clear? 8 is greater than 4 means 8 is greater than number. Okay, beta. And in all the cases, you can check from the next case also. 12 is here. 12 is here
Yes.
as the third multiple. So 12 is also greater than 4. 12 is also greater than 4. So beta, what we can conclude by having such type of examples, that every multiple of a number is equal to or greater than the number. Means all the multiple will be equals to, it can be equal to or it can be greater than. But it is not possible to have less than the number. Okay, beta?
Okay,
Is
ma'am.
it clear? So now you can also check from the board also. Okay, beta, as I have given you this example, these 3 examples I have given you. Can you tell me 4, 8, 12 and 16, these all are greater than 4 or not? Or it can be equals to 4 or it can be equals to 4. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. And similarly in the second case, this 7 is equals to this 7, but rest of the multiples are greater than the number. Is it clear, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
You must observe all the examples that all the multiples must be always greater than the number, or it can be equals to.
Yes,
ना?
ma'am.
And how it is possible? क्यों possible होता है ये? Because at least we are going to multiply any number by 1. कम से कम 1 से तो multiply करोगे, 1 से छोटे number से क्या multiply करोगे आप? Yes or no? To find out the multiples. So suppose you are going to multiply any number by 1, the answer will be number itself. Number itself hoga, it means your multiple will be equals to the number. Equals to the number. So this is the way your third property can announce here that every multiple of a number is equals to or greater than the number. Equals to or greater than the number. All the numbers are greater than this particular number. Is it clear, Krishna? Is it clear? You can tell me any of the case where the multiple can be lower than the number. It can be possible. It can be possible. Yes, Krishna. No, it cannot be possible. Okay, beta. So now you can mute yourself. Ma'am is going to take one more time. Okay, Krishna? Okay, beta. So, beta, time is already over. So we can continue from the next topic. That how we are going to find out the multiples. As I have already told you, beta. As I have already told you how to find out the multiples. Abhi ma'am ne aapko bataya that we are just going to multiply the number from 1, from 2, from 3, from 4, and so on. We can continue. Okay. So this is a simple way to find out the multiples. Okay. So this is the question for each and every student to find out the first 5 multiples of 7. You all are going to find out. Write it fast. Write it fast in your almanac. Okay, beta, write it fast. And from the revision exercise, questions related to multiples you can solve by yourself. This is your homework for today. Write it fast, beta, everyone.